Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Just with Mahesh. I'm starting a new quick lecture series primarily for certain certification. The first among them is Associate Cloud Engineer. So I would like to share some more details about this quick lecture series. So primarily who can take this? So if you are a person who have already started looking into Associate Cloud Engineer certification and you have done some good amount of work by looking into various materials, all those kind of a stuff, and you need further information or further deep dive into that, so then this is going to be really a good fit for you. But if you are a person who is doing this for the first time, Google Cloud is the first cloud which you are exploring and you have no ground like basic knowledge on it, it may not be a good fit. I would strictly encourage not to take this one. So if you are already doing something on Google Cloud, have some knowledge and you want to clear the certification, you have done the prep, then this is definitely going to be a good course. So that's good, right? So when it is going to start, so it's going to start from 5th of June and it's going to end on 20th of June. So 12 sessions is what you are going to have. So the timing is from Monday to Friday, so it's a weekday batch is what I would say. So 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST time. So if you're in a different time zone, you can please convert the time zone. You should be able to get the time. So next, the most interesting stuff everybody would be looking at. So since it's a quick lecture session, more like a crash course, what would be the fees for it? So it's going to be 5,000 Indian rupee, or small conversion if you do it, it's going to be around 60 US dollars. So you can pay it via various options. So the UPI options like phone pay, Google Pay, PayPal, if you are not using any of these options, could be a good choice. So that's one thing. If you need a kind of, because it's going to be a 12-day session, so if you want an installment, you can do it. So you can do it in two installments, something like 2,500, 2,500, something of that sort. You can do it. So the risk factor, everybody would be looking at it, right? Because you're paying money, so you want to have a risk-free option. So is there any risk? If you feel, I would definitely give a pretty much a good option here. So it's like a small policy which I started phrasing it. It's something like attend first and pay later. What do you mean by that is the first two sessions, so totally it's going to be 12 sessions, out of which the first two sessions you can attend it free. So all you need to do is just register for the link which I'm going to put it in the towards the end, and I'll also put that Google form in the description. You can just click register your name, so just email ID is enough. So once you do that, I'm going to send you the invite. So attend the two sessions. If you feel really the style, the way I teach it and the concepts are interesting, it would be is going to be helpful for you to clear the associate cloud engineer, you can proceed further. If not, you can just drop off. So there's no risk there. So because you're not paying anything for till the two sessions, you should be able to take this easily is what I say. So it's literally like a zero risk option. So if you are interested, from the third session onwards, if you want to attend it, you basically need to pay the amount. So either the first installment or the full one, it's your choice how you want to do it. So good. So far the option looks good. If you are satisfied, if you have come till here, I guess you have satisfied. So is there any further benefits which you can expect? Definitely there are situations, because the time is an interesting time. So for some people it could be an office hour. So 9 a.m. To 11 a.m. if you were to do it, basically, you may miss certain sessions. So the benefit which I wanted to give is basically a lifetime access to these 24 hours of content which you are going to get it. So you can use it if you miss any session. So that is something which you can use it, or you can use it for future reference. Maybe after associate cloud engineer, you want to take it as a professional cloud architect certification. Some of the concepts which you discussed definitely will be helpful. So you can look into this recording. So that's one thing which you do get it. And you also get the PDF document, the slides which I'm going to create. So it's all going to be customized slides. So you're going to use this. It's going to be in a PDF form, so you can use it for future reference. So that's the first benefit which you get. The second benefit is towards the end. So I would suggest two capstone projects. Why these two capstone projects? Because I have heard n number of times whenever I have done training, we need real time skills or implementation tips, all those things. So since you would have finished this 12 sessions, which is roughly like 24 hours of content, if you want to really do a project and showcase that in your resume, I will provide you two implementations with an architecture, but I would only provide you the architecture. You have to do this implementation end to end, either via deploying everything via deployment manager, directly doing it in the Google Cloud Console, using G Cloud, or the best option is to use it with Terraform. It's your choice. Any suggestion, any help required, I would be able to provide you, but you have to do it. By doing it, definitely you're going to get good exposure, and not only it is going to help you to clear the exam, but after clearing the exam, you are going to also do some implementation, right? That's going to help you there. So if this is all really helpful, so if you want to have further questions, basically you can drop me an email at learngcpwithmahesh@gmail.com. So that is one option. Or you can scan this barcode. So using any of your modern smartphones where they can scan a barcode, you will get a number. So I'm active on WhatsApp on that number. So you should be able to do either a WhatsApp call or a chat. So if you want further stuffs, details to be asked. So get into it and see if you really like it. 2 sessions, definitely going to be straightforward. I'll put the link in the description. Click register and let's see how things goes. All right, now this is a quick lecture series, meaning very much quick, 24 hours. So on the contradictory, so you get almost another stuff, so completely like 6 months kind of a course. This is for the cloud architect, which I'm starting from tomorrow. So if you're interested, you can drop me a mail, so you'll get more details, or you can use the same number which I had shared in the previous slide. You can directly WhatsApp me. I should be able to give you. This is on cloud architect, completely customized. So here the total duration is going to be roughly around 214, so a drastic difference, and the duration is also going to be high. Similarly, if you're interested in cloud, that's the cloud architect. If you're interested in data engineer, so again I'm starting this starting from Saturday. So if you're interested, you can basically look into this option. So that is going to be a good choice if you're interested. All right, so that's the video which I wanted to share. So if you are interested, basically do drop me a mail, so happy to, or send me a WhatsApp message. I'll be happy to share more details on it. Thank you.